So you, my nigga, are a scammer. You use all the tricks in the book, all the skills to seduce, coerce, manipulate, lead people on. Basically, you're good at it. Yet, every week, you become a sheep yourself in a Ponzi scheme. Make it make sense, fam. Make it make sense. Your pastor is more street than you. I should open a church for your dumb ass. Your dumb ass will probably buy me a fucking cooling hand. But the difference would be that I'll probably have ended because I would have done juju for you, guy. I would have carried your matter on my head and gone to all the more in Umoji. I would have gone there. I would have gone to all the more in your father's house. I would have carried your matter on my head and made sure that your container arrives safely from abroad. Say your matter dey progress. Do fetish videos for your matter. Awake and daily for your matter, which is exactly what your pastors are doing. But they are pussies. The mischievous pussies won't tell you to go and fix the more in your father's house, which I will make sure that you do. That's the difference between you being my client, Onion Nelly, and we being partners. You know what I'm saying? Instead, these ignorant, intentional but still ignorant demons will go to your ancestors' land and carry your ancestors' alusi. Aluye Emegi. I'm not telling you what I don't know. I'm present when pastors are telling their DB that they went to so and so state to go and remove alusi. Onye kam where mali feji swatipa be ifi bobatana beg obia bulumon kagodu. Guess what he's going to use yours machine to do? Guess. Ibu a master of deception, yes, a scammer. Yet you're an NSPD ho. Inwe daddy Gio in Agoka. Take a look at yourself in your full length mirror one see on wagi abo Mgbada. You know? See on wagi neighbor Mgbada. Eli Azaman atolo battery. Stream Holy Ezumezu for your Igor 4 stuffs, Igor more stuffs. Check out Ofeke and you might love Eguya. People love it. Thanks for the love.